Prem Namaste. My name is Dr. Vijay Mittal. Today we will discuss sinusitis, allergic rhinitis, common cold, chronic cough, allergic cough, all these problems. So many people around the world, they are suffering from these problems. Most of those people, they keep on taking antihistamines, cough mixtures, and also the antibiotics. But most of the times, these drugs do not provide any relief, any permanent relief. Even if they feel better, it is temporary. So it creates lots of frustration among people, and they keep on visiting many doctors all the time. So whenever they come to us, especially to an Ayurvedic doctor, first thing we advise them is that they need to understand the basic cause, the root cause of these problems in order to reduce the dependency on the medication, their chronic medication. So first understanding that is required is of our digestive system. Whenever the Agni is low, Agni is metabolic fire. Whenever metabolic fire is low, the food that they consume, that produces lots of ama. Ama in Ayurveda means the toxins. Whenever the toxins, they take entry into their bloodstream, that irritates, that is a constant irritant to their mucus lining. And their mucus lining keep on producing lots of mucus. These toxins, they reduces our natural immunity to fight. Whenever our immunity is low, we start developing lots of allergies. Any small thing, pollens or anything that starts giving such allergy. I have seen people, they tell, oh, I got dust allergy, I got pollen allergy, and then they go for allergy tests. I don't think it's possible for a person to test all the allergens, because there are millions and billions of things that can cause allergy. So the best route to take is we can improve, and we must improve our immunity so that we can fight allergens naturally. So there are certain things that I will advise. There are certain suggestions that we can do so that we can have a better immunity and we can fight these disorders in a significant manner. First thing, please do not have cold things. Anybody who is drinking cold water, cold drinks, that will irritate their mucus lining. So cold increases vata and kapha in Ayurveda. I have seen people drinking the water, they put lots of ice in the water and they only like ice cold water. Anybody who is drinking ice cold water, it will be very hard for them to get rid of sinusitis, chronic cough and common cold problem. So first advice is try to have the water at room temperature, and in the winters, if possible, try to have warm water. The fasting plays a big role in bringing the kapha down and in fighting sinus and common cold problem. In Ayurveda, we normally recommend fasting for most of the patients in order to treat their sinus problem. So at home, you can do maybe once a week or twice a week. You can give rest to your gut. You may go on vegetable stews, steamed vegetable, fruits, drink lots of water, the warm water, avoid tea, coffee, cold drinks, juices, sweet stuff, and you will be surprised. You yourself will be able to find a clear connection between improved digestion and reduced sinus problem. So as you understand that, you can improve your diet and lifestyle so that you can remove these problems permanently. Do not stay awake till late in the night. Whenever we are awake till late in the night, it aggravates the vata. Vata is a big problem that contributes to the cough and the sinus problem. So have very good sleep, sleep on time, eat less, and do not eat junk food. Try to avoid processed food and the cold stuff. So that will help you very much as far as these disorders are concerned. Here there are few home remedies that I am going to explain. These home remedies, they will boost your Agni, they will pacify your Vata and Kapha. By doing that, you will feel improvement in your symptoms. So what we can do is, first thing you can do, take ginger, maybe thumb-sized ginger. You can put 3 to 4 cloves, and you may add cinnamon stick. It can be maybe 4 inches long. So you may boil all these things in 1.5 to 2 liters of water. Let it boil at slow heat. Try to reduce the water to half. That water you can fill in your flask, and when you go to your office, you can carry that flask with you, and you may drink half to 1 cup of the mixture, that water, that drink, throughout the day till it finishes. You may do it regularly for a few days or 1 month, 2 months. Especially in winters, it is very, very effective, and it helps with your sinus problem, common cold problem, and the irritation in your throat. Because the ginger, it improves your digestion, and ginger is very good in Ayurveda to pacify the Vata and the Kapha problem. Second thing that you can do is, whenever the cough is troubling you and the sinus problem is troubling you and there is a headache, you may take 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. You may put 1 to 2 pinches of black pepper, and you may also add half teaspoon of honey into that. You may take this mixture 2 to 3 times a day and drink only the warm water throughout the day, and you will be surprised that by doing this only for a few days, all your symptoms will start getting better. There are people, they got certain irritation in their throat, and in the night when they go to bed, because of that irritation, the cough starts. It's very, very irritating. They take cough mixture, for a few moments they feel better, again there is a cough. So what to do for that? There is one very good home remedy for that. Take few cloves, just 4 or 5 cloves, slightly roast them, maybe on the hot plate in a low heat. Do not burn it, just slightly roast it and keep it with you. So you may put 1 or 2 cloves, the roasted one, in your mouth and keep sucking that. That will help pacify your irritation in your throat. That's very, very good for dry cough and that cough that arises out of the irritation of throat. So these are few things that you can do at home. By doing these things, you will find that the problem of sinus, common cold, keep getting flu all the time, these problem starts coming down. Because all these things, they improve your Agni. Agni means metabolic fire. By improving your metabolic fire, they improve your digestion. When digestion is improved, ama, the toxins in the blood is low, and you are taking these home remedies, all these things together, they will help reducing your dependency on medication, and they will help in these disorders. So if there is a specific problem, you can always go to your health provider and take the guidance from him. But for day-to-day problem, there is no need to run for medication for every small problem. It is a better way to improve your immunity and fight these problems naturally. I think for today it is enough, and in the coming videos we will discuss more things how to improve our digestion and stay naturally healthy. Thank you very much. Namaste.